Hi, writers! Welcome back. I hope you had a great weekend, and now I'm ready to dive right into our passion projects again this week. So, this will actually be our last week of our passion projects. So now it is time to work on publishing all these wonderful pieces that you've been writing over the last few weeks. So our goals for this week is we're going to choose a new way to share your writing with someone. In school, we normally share our final writings by either doing a partner reading session or by doing a whole class reading. So it'll be a little bit different. Miss Ennis is going to challenge you to think of other ways that you can publish or finalize your writing. Then at the end of this week, we're going to share these projects with maybe our class. You can share them with Miss Ennis, or you can share them with your family at home. Let's get started. So before I go into our lesson for today, I wanted to share some of our classmates' passion projects that they've been working on. So Liam W., he's been writing all about pandas, and he's been kind of doing an all about book or a teaching book about pandas, everything he knows. It's been great. Miss Ennis has learned a lot. Damiana, she's been writing all about Lego Friends. She's told me so many key details about Lego Friends, I think even I could be an expert now. And Liam Fluke, he had a really cool idea. He actually wrote a Lego poem, but he wrote it as an acrostic poem. So each letter of Legos stood for a part of his writing. Miss Ennis was super impressed with that idea. Great idea to try something new. Poems aren't something we normally write a lot. So today I want to talk to you about ways that we can publish our passion projects. So those were just 3 friends that I wanted to highlight, but so many of you all have been doing your absolute best writing and working on your passion project. So now we want to think about how can we share this passion with other readers, people who might want to read about your passion. So we have to choose a medium. What does a medium mean? Medium, that sounds like a word like big or small, but medium can also mean the way in which you show something. So, for example, if I'm thinking about how I can share my passion project with an audience, I could write a book, I could write a letter, I could create a comic, I could do a YouTube video like Miss Ennis does for you all. So you have to decide which medium you think will work best with your project. And that's up to you. So I have some ideas here of how you might want to publish your passion project. You could record a video of you reading or presenting your project. You could give a speech. You could write a letter. You could create a poster. So I'm thinking like Liam W's all about pandas. He could make a panda poster. He could tell me what pandas eat, where they live, what they look like. Here's a drawing. And instead of having it in a traditional book, he could make a big poster. That's a great way to capture the reader's attention. Or you could always make a traditional book and see if you can add some more pages than what you normally would. See if you can add a table of contents maybe. I also wanted to give you some new ideas to try. Maybe if you're ready to step out and try something new, be adventurous, here are some links to some digital ways that you can publish your writing project. So one thing that I think is really cool, and you might need mom or dad or an older sibling's help for this, but you can actually create your own comic book if you want to tell your story that way. You could do a digital poster. So if you see there's an iguana one down there, and that's kind of like instead of making your poster on paper, you're creating your poster online. It's kind of interactive. So these are just some other things that you can try if you want to be a little adventurous and try something new. It's totally up to you though, because look, here's all the other things that you can do too. Don't feel like you have to do one of those ones online. Miss Ennis just wanted to give you that as something new if you wanted to try it. Totally up to you. So think today about how you think it's going to be best to publish your passion project. And we're going to be working on that this week. So don't feel like you have to do it today. Okay, writers? I am so proud of you, and I can't wait to see these projects at the end of the week.